Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIDS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, exercise 2.2, question number 13. This is lesson number 18 and HW number 15. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. Our today's question is mainly CQ. CQ number 13 and exercise 2.2. Here the question is, due to 14 whole 2/7% fall in the price, 10 more bananas are available at TK 420. Now, a number question, if 14 whole 2/7% of a number is 10, determine the number. B number question, what is the price of 1 dozen of banana at present? And C number question, to make profit of 33 whole 1/3%, what should be selling price of each dozen of banana? Okay, dear students, at first we will solve a number. Here the question is, if 14 whole 2/7% of a number is 10, we have to determine the number. At first we will assume that the number is x. Then as per question we can write 14 whole 2/7% of x is equal to 10. Then we can get an equation, and solving the equation we can get the value of x. It will be the required number. Let the number is x. As per question, 14 whole 2/7% of x is equal to 10. Now we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. In this case, denominators will be same, and what will be numerator? At first we will multiply this 14/7, then we will add 2 with obtained number. Now 14 multiplication 7, this is equal to 98, and 98 plus 2 is equal to 100. Percent of x is equal to 10, or 100/7. Now dear the students, what is percent? Instead of percentage we can write 1/100. Percentage means 1/100. So here instead of percentage we can write 1/100 of x is equal to 10. Now we can cut this 100 and this 100, then it will be, or 1/7 of x equal to 10. Now we have to find out the value of x. Of means multiplication. So we can consider here 1/7 multiplication x equal to 10. Now since we have to find out the value of x, so we will send this 1/7 in right side. While we will send this 1/7 in right side, then its denominators will be numerator and its numerator will be denominators. So x equal to 10 multiplication 7/1, and therefore x equal to 7 tens are 70. So answer will be 70. Therefore the number is, therefore required number is 70, and answer is 70. Okay, dear the students, we have solved a number question. Now we'll solve B number. Here the question is, what is the price of 1 dozen of banana at present? What is the price of 1 dozen banana at present? Here in the step it is said that due to 14 whole 2 by 7% fall in the price, 10 more bananas are available at TK 420. What is the meaning of 14 whole 2 by 7% fall? It is, we can, instead of this sentence we can write since the price is decreased by decreased by 14 whole 2 by 7%. So if present price it will be previous price. If previous price then present price will be 100 minus 14 whole 2 by 7. If previous price was TK 100, it should be TK TK 100, then present price will be 100 minus 14 whole 2 by 7. This is equal to TK 100 minus here 14 sevens are 98 and 98 plus 2, this is equal to 100. And this is equal to TK, here LCM will be 7 and 600 minus 100, this is equal to TK it will be 700. 700 minus 100, this is equal to TK 600. 600 by 7. Now if present price is TK 600 by 7, then previous price was TK 100. We can write if present price is TK 600 by 7, then previous price was TK 100. Therefore, if present price is TK 1, then previous price was TK 100. Here 7 will come in numerator and 6 will come in denominators. Now, if present price is TK, here in the question it is mentioned that 10 more bananas are available at TK 420. So, here we will write 420, 420. If the present price is TK 420, then the previous price was TK 100 multiplication 7 multiplication 420 divided by 600. If we cut, then 106 are 600 and 6 sevens are 42. We'll take another 0 here. Now 7 sevens are 49. That means 490. TK 490. TK 490. Dear students, now we will find out the difference between present price and previous price. Therefore, difference between present price and previous price is equal to TK 490 minus TK 490 minus 420, and this is equal to TK 70. There it will be the present price of 10 bananas. Therefore, present price of 10 bananas is TK 70. Therefore, present price of 1 banana is TK 70 by 10. Therefore, present price of 12 banana. In the question, it is said that what will be the present price of 1 dozen banana, and 1 dozen means 12 banana. So, we have to find out the present price of 12 banana. Present price of 12 banana is TK 70 multiplication 12 by 7. Now 7 tens are 70, and therefore it will be TK 7 12s are 84. So answer will be 84. Dear the students, we have finished B number. Now we'll solve C number. Here C number question is to make a profit of 33 whole 1 by 3%. What should be selling price of each dozen of banana? Here present price of, in B number we have found that present price of 1 dozen banana is TK 84. Now we have to find out what was the present price of previous price of 1 dozen banana. What was the previous price of 1 dozen banana? And for that we will use this line. If present price is TK 607, then previous price was TK 100. We will start from this line. At first we will write from B. We get present price of 1 dozen banana is TK 84. From B we get present price of one dozen banana. One dozen banana is TK 84. Now we have to find out the previous price of one dozen banana, and for that we'll use this line. If present price is TK 600 by 7, then previous price was TK 100. Therefore, if present price is TK 1, then previous price was TK 100 multiplication 7 by 600. Therefore, if present price is TK 84, then previous price was TK 100 multiplication 7 multiplication 84 divided by 600. Now 6 100s are 600. If we cut 84 by 6, then it will be 6 1s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. 4. Now this is equal to TK. 14 7s are 98. That means previous price of one dozen banana is TK 98. Now we have to sell this banana at 33 whole 1 by 3% profit. Now profit 33 whole 1 by 3% means that if cost price is TK 100, then selling price will be TK 100 plus 33 whole 1 by 3, and this is equal to TK 100 plus, if we convert it into improper fraction, then it should be 100 by 3. This is equal to TK, here LCM is 3, then 300 plus 100, and this is equal to TK 400 by 3. Now if we can write now, if cost price is TK 100, then selling price is TK 400 by 3. If cost price is TK1, then what is the selling price? If cost price is TK98, then what is the selling price? If cost price is TK100, then selling price is TK. If cost price is TK100, then selling price is TK400 by 3. 400 by 3. Therefore, if cost price is TK1, then selling price is TK, it will be 400 by 3 multiplication 100. If cost price is TK98, then selling price is TK 400 multiplication 98 by 3 multiplication 100. Here we can cut this 400 by 100, then it will be 4. This is equal to TK. Here 4 8s are 32. From 32 we'll write 2 carrying 3, and 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. That means 392. 392 by 3, and this is equal to, if we convert this into mixed fraction, it will be 132 whole 2 by 3. TK 132 by 132 whole 2 by 3. TK 130 whole 2 by 3, and this is the answer. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW number 15 number SW, and topic exercise 2.2 question number 13. That means our today's CW is your SW also. So do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah.